The third day of the Save Democracy rally is here. And our message is simple and clear. We cannot have a government that is pushing for a one-party system. It is dangerous. It is unbecoming of this administration particularly. If you have seen how they have destroyed all the opposition political parties. We have said this over and over again. Even some of the leaders of the APC have come out clearly on national TV to say that yes, that we are opposition, they are government, and that whatever loophole they get, they will take advantage of it. It is a very, very dangerous narrative because it is in the interest of the government of the day that opposition should do well. In any healthy nation, in any healthy country, the business of the government of the day is to ensure that institutions are strong, that INEC is not partisan, that the military, the police, the paramilitary, the other institutions of governance, like justice, is given and appropriated rightly. Where this fails, then the nation is tending into anarchy. And this is what we are seeing with the current Nigerian government. Labour has failed. They infiltrated it. You can see what is happening with PDP. They've infiltrated it. They've gone ahead and on and on. And today, that you have, they did that even to NMPP and all the other political parties. And because we can see that today, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, Mr. Peter Obi, Dr. Rabiu Kwankwaso, you can see Nasir El-Rufai and Tambuwal, Hechi, Amaechi, Rotimi, and all of them have come together. They have decided that they must ruin this using the institutions of government. This is what makes this very dangerous, and why we will not retreat. Because you see what is happening with this present regime, people need to understand very clearly. They do not just come out to disarm opposition. They misuse the law. They use the law as a tool to suppress the people, to subjugate oppositions. And I'll give you two clear examples. They are using the INEC. INEC is supposed to be independent, an impartial institution of government. But today, it is the INEC chairman that is speaking on behalf of the APC. Is this right? No. This is what we are here to ensure, that our message is clear, particularly to the INEC. And you can see that even in the judiciary today, it is this present regime that says that if you think that things are not right, if you think they rigged your election, go to court. Because they know that they've taken over the court. It is this regime that is buying houses for judges. How can a regime be so, this is so insensitive, so corrupt, so manipulative? So our messages are very clear. INEC, do the right thing, otherwise we will not stop coming. The judiciary must take a stand. They must be fearless and they must be impartial. It is only in Nigeria that the judicial system has an eye open. The judiciary is supposed to be blind to religion, blind to political parties, blind to tribe, and blind to everything. But in Nigeria, the judiciary is part of the APC. INEC is part of the APC. So right now, it is the people versus APC. This is our clear message to the people. We will continue to do this because it is about the life of the people. It is about the suffering masses. It is, whether we come here or we do not come here, the truth is that this fight will never stop. Because until the people are liberated, Nigeria is in chain. Nigeria has been captured by a small elite few who are taking advantage of Nigeria and Nigerian people. It will be sad if all Nigerians don't come together, because we go to one market. Today we can barely buy fuel to move. Today people can barely eat. This is not a rhetoric of hate. This is the reality that we are today in Nigeria. You can see the people. When you bring bread or water out, everybody will die for it. Nigerians are dying because they cannot eat food. Nigerians can't move. Go to all the places. So my message to all the civil society group is that this is the one time in Nigeria that we must come together beyond tribe, beyond party lines, beyond anything, because it is clear that this regime is against the Nigerian people. So the message is clear to all the civil society group, in fact, all political parties, the Nigerian police, the Nigerian army, the Nigerian judiciary, every father, mother, everybody. The message is clear. Come out, let us save Nigeria, let us save democracy, because if we don't do that, we are all going to die as we are already dying.